Today on Youth Files episode, we're going to talk about how and why premarital sex is a social issue nowadays.
We all know that premarital sex is commonly caused by lack of education or poverty.
And it has its effects in ourselves, in our family, and in our society.
To know the perspective of other people, here is Ingrid.
Good morning. We're at Dominican College to ask the students and teachers about their opinions about premarital sex being a social issue nowadays. So, come on, let's go.
Why do you think premarital sex is a social issue?
Social issue siya dahil madami ng bata na gumagawa kasi feeling nila tsaka nakikita naman nila na madami naman gumagawa kaya ginagawa na rin nila. Pero dapat hindi kasi dapat wife and husband lang gumagawa kasi sacred daw.
Why do you think premarital sex is a social issue nowadays?
Because nowadays it's a very common issue, and not only in our country but also around the world. And I think that if people continue doing that, I don't know what will happen to our country anymore.
Thank you. Why do you think premarital sex is a social issue?
Kasi yung mga teenagers ngayon, kulang sa education, kulang sa guidance ng parents nila, saka yung iba rin ginusto rin nila mangyari yun. So, yung premarital sex, considered siya social issue.
To teenagers who experience this kind of social issue. And to protect their identity and their privacy, let's just call them in the name Abby and Dave.
Bakit mo nagawa?
Ewan!
Sa tingin mo ba tama yun?
Di ko alam. Hindi naman ako nakapag-aral eh.
Hanggang kailan ba natapos mo?
Grade 2.
May nagbunga ba sa ginawa niyo?
Oo!
Pinanindigan ka ng ama?
Hindi.
Eh, anong ginawa mo?
Pinalaglag ko.
Bakit mo nagawa?
Hindi ko naman siya kayang buhayin eh.
What engaged you into premarital sex? I was young and in love and it just happened.
Since Dominican College is an institution of learning, it is a Catholic school, probably students will be informed about the increasing growth of premarital sex. So let's try to ask people if they have suggestions to solve this social issue.
What solution can you give to premarital sex?
As a student, we should prioritize first our studies and we should not be involved in this problem.
What solution can you give to premarital sex?
I don't think I can give a solution, but to parents, I will give them more of an advice. To those who are parents of teens, they need more support and closure. They need closure for the teens to guide them in every step they do. That if the teens are in question of things like sex, they would ask their parents and they would talk, and this would be also their kind of bond so that they would be closer to each other.
Thank you. Based on the surveys we took, we conclude that premarital sex is often caused by
Lack of guidance from their parents,
lack of education,
curiosity, and poverty. Affect our relationship with our parents and our standing in the society.
and of course, the life of the teenager facing the problem. We can suggest to parents that they should talk to their children more often, to the government to guide the out-of-school youth, and the teenagers themselves to focus on their studies. So this is our issue,
Your issue,
Youth Files.